وأقم الصلاة طرفي النهار وزلفا من الليل إن الحسنات يذهبن السيئات ذلك ذكرى للذاكرين.
Surah Nur verse 114, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says us to establish prayer at the two ends of the day and at the approach of the night. Indeed, good deeds do away with misdeeds. That is a reminder for those who remember. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in this verse brings a lot of hope and shows us His method of mercy, how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants us to make effort to reach to His mercy. And the beauty of this verse is that it shows us a very simple method, that if we, for example, error, or if we fall into the trap of the nafs or trap of the shaitan, and we are sometimes doing unacceptable wrongdoings to ourselves, the sayyats, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that your sayyat could be removed from your book of deeds, they could be expiated from you simply by performing good deeds, hasanat. And namaz being one of the most important good deeds that one could perform as a moment, that is, remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in salat. And so one has to understand that the way to reach the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is praying 5 times daily. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala through this verse is also showing us that we will fall for sayyat and we will make errors, and there is a method to undo those things and change those things. Now, if we talk about this world, we often find ourselves in circumstances and situations where we cannot undo things, where we cannot change things, where we cannot amend things. If we've failed an exam, suffered a loss, we've suffered something undesirable, and then we have no option to change it, amend it, remove it from our past, and it'll stay there, and whatever loss that we faced, we will have to face it in this world. But when it comes to deen, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is showing us that even if we've made a loss, and loss refers to doing something wrong, doing something unacceptable, following the wishes and whims of our nafs and disobeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, even if we have went to that extent where we performed something against the wish and will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, still there is hope for us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that you can come back and pray and remember me and perform good deeds, and just by praying and remembering and performance of those good deeds, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will remove those wrongdoings and will remove those sayyat from us. And this is very hopeful, and this meaning is also coming in other areas of Quran and Hadith, and in Bukhari Sharif, one of the Hadiths which is narrated by Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu Anhu, and the same meaning comes from Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Anhu as well, where the Prophet ﷺ performed wuzu in front of the Sahaba, and then the Prophet ﷺ prayed 2 rakat nafal namaz in front of the Sahaba, and then he turned towards the companion and told them that whoever performs wuzu like me, and whoever then prays to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that is, he remembers Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with khushu and khuzu and focuses on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will remove all his past, all his previous sins. And this is a huge hope for all the mu'mineen, for people like me who fall into sin and who make errors, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is showing us the path to His mercy. And sometimes we also get confused that what is the meaning of Al-Rahman and what is the meaning of Al-Rahim. Does that mean that we do nothing and then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will simply out of His mercy will accept us? No. So this verse also hints and indicates that although Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is capable of doing that also, but in reality, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants us to make this effort of remembering Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, praying to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and then out of our prayers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make things easier for us, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will rectify the mistakes that we have made. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that this is a reminder for those who remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this is a nasiyat from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Quran. So one has to understand when one should take heed, and one should try to make effort, and we should make dua that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us the tawfiq to become a person who prays 5 times a day and make things easier for all of us. And I hope that firstly and foremost I become a person of salat, and then whoever is listening this also, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives them the ability to be a person who remembers Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala daily, and through this continuous remembrance he becomes a person where he can escape all his sins and change his nature and become a good pious person. Ameen.